Welcome back to your advanced guide to ranch roping. Today we're going to talk about splitting our spoke. There's a couple of different ways that I do this, and we're going to start with the forehand turnover way. So we've already talked about this in that video, but if you missed that one, go back and watch it. When I split my spoke in my very last backswing before I deliver, I'm going to pull these two fingers out, my pinky and my ring finger. They're going to wrap around my spoke, and my loop is going to end up in these two fingers. And when I throw it, it's going to look like that, and I'll have my spoke in these fingers. When it comes to the viento, that's going to be completely different. I'm going to split my spoke with my pointer finger. Some people do it with their pinky. That's not how I do it, and I'm the one teaching. So if you want to do it with your pinky, that's fine too. So I'm just going to put my pointer finger in between my loop and my spoke strand. So that top one is my spoke, and that one is my loop, okay? When it comes to the backhand turnover, I'm not going to put anything between the spoke and my loop because my loop is already in my fingertips on a backhand swing, okay? So that spoke is already going to be sitting kind of deep in my palm, and this is going to be how I'm holding my backhand swing. So it's already in my fingertips, so I can just quite frankly let it go, and my spoke will just still be in my hand. So those are three different ways that I split my spoke. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.